Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today marks the day that I get out for the fall travel season. We're gonna go adventure, we're gonna go explore, living the van life dream, or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna head over to West Bank. We're gonna grab a few things. I need a pair of shoes, that's for sure. Once we're done grabbing groceries, grabbing gas, we'll head out of town. We'll start heading our way towards Pemberton, British Columbia. Maybe we'll find some hot springs to go wander down to. But first things first, we need some caffeine. And some good old porridge for breakfast with some strawberries and some bananas, like always. Nothing like a cup of hot leaf juice to start the day. Well, good morning, guys. We're back in the van. We're here in West Bank. We're just chilling out here for a little while. We're gonna grab a few things and then we'll hit the road. So I think we're gonna take off pretty soon here and we're gonna go to Anytime Fitness. We're gonna get a little workout up because I haven't done a workout in a while and it would be nice to get back into that routine now that I'm near cities, and with cities comes Anytime Fitness. So as long as I'm near towns, I'm gonna try and get my butt in there and get a little workout because I got a little gut to work out, so we're gonna get that out of here and we'll get some gains going, you know what I mean? All right, I don't have any like pre-workout, creatine or anything like that. I'm just gonna do the old-fashioned steak, eggs, potatoes, go work out, things like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my cup of tea, gonna make a little oatmeal, and then we'll take off. See you guys in a few. Oh, that's awesome. Mom and daughter going over for a quick dip. That's awesome. Not for me, man. I'm going to the hot springs. Screw that. I'm gonna have a nice warm hot tub, or I'm gonna find the hot springs. Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a few. Well, that was a good workout. My arms are killing me. Can barely lift my arms as is. It's gonna be interesting driving, but that's all right because I haven't been to the gym in 6 months or something like that since before, well, maybe like 4 months or something like that, just before the kids arrived. We were hitting the gym a few times here and there. But yeah, we got a few things to grab, got a couple groceries to get, and then we're gonna hit the road. Nothing like a no fresh pair of kicks to play with. Dude, these things are nice. I'm liking them. They're waterproof up to about there. So that'll be real bonus out in Vancouver Island. My hiking boots are a little bit taller, but they're not as waterproof. So these are a little bit more insulated for winter. So they'll keep me warm when I'm hiking. Checking out the waterfalls, but I'm not going to be wearing them today. It's yucky outside. I always like to wear my shoes inside the house for a little while, which is going to be interesting because I now live in a van. Oh yeah, and check out these treads, dude. So cool. Hopefully these ones last a little bit longer. I went with Columbia over Morel. They're not waterproof at all, and they were supposed to be when I bought them, and I treated them properly, but I forgot. Yeah, I've repaired this like 3 times and they just keep coming apart. Maybe I'm using the wrong stuff, who knows. I'm not a shoe repair guy. Like, I've got a pair of shoes that are like 7 years old and they're still in really good shape. And those ones just fell apart in like the first, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. I think I've had them for almost 2 years. But yeah, so we're gonna try out the Columbias. Yeah, I'm gonna make a cup of tea. We're just hanging out here at Superstore. I'm gonna make a cup of tea, and then once we're done with the road, just got a few more stops to make. I gotta get gas and some diesel. So what I'll probably do is I'll put them in front of the heater for like 5 minutes, and then once they're warmed up, put them on my feet, and then when they cool down, they should like mold to my feet, because hopefully they work. Because if they don't work, then I'll take them back and get a size 10, because these fit here, like my toes right here. I've got ½ an inch between here and the end of my foot, but right here and here is a little bit tight. So if I put on some socks, I think I should probably, yeah, I should put on a pair of thick socks, wool socks, put my feet in there so that I can expand just this area with the diesel heater, and I think these shoes will work great. But I don't want to wear them outside just in case I need to swap them out for a different size. I think they'll work fine. They're really comfortable. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a quick bite to eat. We'll see you guys down the road. Scales here for a second. We have the front axle, 1580. Pull forward, we're going to do the back axle, 2210. Alright, 1580 and 2210. Let's do a quick calculation. Mass, clear, 3790. Oh. That's okay. How are we only 8,355 pounds? That doesn't make any sense. When I weighed myself before, okay, I was fully loaded. Freezer was full, water was full, fridge was full. I had everything in the van. Even the propane tanks were full, and I weighed myself and it was 8,700 pounds. And we're sitting at 8,355. That's pretty good. So yeah, that should be pretty good on the fuel mileage. Pretty good. Okay guys, we'll see you guys down the road.
Continue on British Columbia 97 North for 79 kilometers.
Okay, we're headed towards Cache Creek. I don't know how far we'll get. There's a couple places we can stop. Probably have places that I haven't seen that we can probably stop and hang out. Who knows? It's kind of like a windy day. We're already gassed up, packed up, ready to go. We'll see you down the highway. Well, we're back on the road again, and I'm just chilling here in my underwear because this heater is hot. I've got the fan going like on number 3, but I don't want to turn it off because it just gets chilly in here. So once that heater warms up, it'll cool down, but right at the beginning, like it just, whew, gotta have the window open a little bit. Just to have a little breeze because this heater is hot. Okay, so we're chilling here, Marble Canyon Provincial Park. I was told that there was fishing here, really good fishing, but it's just 2 little lakes. And I didn't have a belly boat or a boat or anything like that. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe we'll go wander around tomorrow morning, check it out. But I registered for one night, so got Starlink up and running, and we're gonna sit down, relax, probably edit this video, have some dinner, got a steak out. There's not much to record right now, it's just dark out. Besides the rain and getting wet. I'm calling it for tonight on day 1 of my fall travel season, or get to Vancouver Island and hide out on Vancouver Island season, or whatever you want to call this season. I still have yet to have a name for this van, and I was also thinking of doing like a whole video of just answering questions. So if you guys have like a bunch of questions, I'll write them out and, you know, do a good thorough research, whatever those answers, and get those answers to you guys. Whether it's pooping in a bucket, if you have questions about that, whether it's solar system, whether it's, you know, what kind of wood I used, you know, anything like that, what kind of insulation I used. I know a lot of the newer viewers that have been watching haven't seen my full band build, and if you haven't, you can go check that out. There's a playlist in my YouTube channel, you can check it out start to finish. Winter tires, like everything, getting the transmission fixed, putting the insulation in, putting the walls in, building cabinets. Yeah, I didn't do drawers. I thought I'd go a little bit lightweight, and I'm pretty happy that I did, because this thing is a little bit nimble sometimes, but it is a little bit of a beast. But yeah, I need a name for her. I need a bunch of questions. I'm gonna wrap today's video up kind of like a daily video starting today, so there'll be no, like, the next morning, it'll be, that's it for today, and then I'm gonna upload it hopefully tomorrow, maybe not, maybe the next day. We'll see how things go. You gotta get into a routine. You know, my routine will always be mixed up. We'll see if we can find a belly boat. A belly boat would be awesome. That would be amazing to go fly fish on lakes like this, where, you know, I don't have a boat to get into, and there's no boats to rent and things like that. But we do have our life jacket, and you'll see why I brought it, but I didn't bring it, and I asked my mom to bring it to me. She met me up in Vernon and brought me my life jacket. Thank you, Mom. And yeah, we're gonna need this a little bit later. Now I just gotta find out where to store this thing. It's just so bulky. Like it's like almost 9 inches thick. But yeah, we'll figure out a place for this. For now, it's just gonna sit there until I figure it out. We'll see you guys in the morning. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the video. If you have any questions, remember to put them down in the comments below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.